Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove emoji from your photo using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my InShot application. And first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created. And for example, I'm going to remove this emoji from this photo. So guys, there are two methods that you can try. The first method is removing emoji using the manual method, and I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to go to the PIP and then I'm going to import the same photo just like this, and you can make it fit the screen like this. And then I'm going to go to the mask and select the circle mask, and then I'm going to take another part of this photo to cover the emoji, for example this part, and then I'm going to drag the part and cover the emoji like this. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can also adjust the filter and also adjust the brightness like this to make it more natural. Okay, and I know that this method cannot be applied to all kind of photos. And the second one guys, I'm going to show you another method that you can try. Okay, for another method you can use one of the feature on InShot, but wait, let me undo. Okay, I'm going to remove this emoji, and then we can use the remove feature. So you can go to the remove feature right here, and then you can use this basic, or actually you can use the advanced one, but you need to subscribe to InShot to get this feature. And I'm going to choose basic, and then just draw on the emoji, and then the emoji will be removed automatically. But again, if the emoji is covering face or complicated object, the result won't be good. So yeah, it cannot be applied to all kind of photos, all type of photos I mean. And yeah, you can try one of the methods. But yeah, the simple method is this one using the remove feature, but you can also try the first method I've told you. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove emoji from photo using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!